Ang pinakalisod gyud of being a politician is when you make hard decisions for your people. What are these hard decisions for your people? Kani bang nagpasabot sa kaayuhan sa atong mga katawhan? Diin dunay mga tao usab nga musukwahi niini, no? Kung ang imo bitang gusto which you see sa unahan nga mo'y makatarong sa katawhan, and then there are people that will oppose you. It is in the hands of the highest office of Iligan, mayor and the vice mayor, to say no to all illegal activities in Iligan City. Daghan ang imong maligsan, daghan ang mga pressures nini diha kanimo. Apan imong makita nini, you have to say no to all these illegal activities kay kini makadaot man kini sa imong katawhan. There will be people who will be disappointed with you, who will threaten even your position, even your life. Pero dili na nimo igsapayan because you know you are doing the right thing, no? So maingon ka nga lisod, that is one. That is one of those, no? Nga lisod nimong buhaton. Pero ang ako lang gid maingon nga bisan lisod sayon lang gyapon, I would say. Sayon lang gyapon kay ngano man. You believe and I believe that we are doing the right thing. Kanang mga legal activities, kanang mga palusot, kanang mga dautan nga napaghitabo sa syudad, labi na sa City Hall, daghan kay igo nga makontra nimo, daghan kay maligsan. Pero you've got to decide it because that is the right thing. There are mga gitawag natog hard decisions, unpopular decisions, but you have to do it because you know that is the right thing that you've got to do. Unya mao po ni makaayo sa imong mga katawhan. Some people may not see it as good for your people, pero ikaw as a leader, given the trust by the people and you have responsibility over your people and you're accountable to God, no? Sa imong mga decision, you've got to make the decision and the decision should be right.